Blood donations are at a critically low level right now across the country, and Middle Tennessee is no exception. The nonprofit Blood Assurance says it's been operating with less than a 2-day supply of several blood types for much of the entire summer, and now they're putting out an urgent call for donors. Joining us now is Brooke Katz from Blood Assurance to help us understand this dire situation and how we can help. Brooke, thanks so much for being here.
Oh, Kelly, thank you so much for having us. I mean, we are truly really in a crisis right now, and we are in urgent need of donors. You have so many different organizations putting out these critical needs, so I think it goes to show you that this isn't something that's just affecting us here at Blood Assurance, but this truly is a nationwide problem. It can eventually start to affect patient care where, elective surgeries sometimes have to be put off. Again, that's not happening here now, but our hope is that by putting out this messaging and telling people how critical this situation is, that donors and people respond and help us build back up that supply.
What factors have led to such critically low levels at this point?
Yeah, I think it's a multitude of different things. When you hit summer, it's always a little bit lower because a lot of our donors are high school students, and a big portion of our donations come from blood drives from high schools. And also people are just traveling, they're doing summer vacation. I think it's just not top of their priority list. But I think too, this year, there are other factors at play. I know gas prices are high. I think people are feeling the pinch of that. Maybe not feeling quite as charitable, and all of that trickles down. But donating blood is one of the few things you can do that literally saves someone's life, and it doesn't cost you anything but a few minutes of your time. And the difference that it makes for our local hospitals is tremendous because, Blood Assurance supplies for the local hospitals here in Middle Tennessee. So those donations that you make with us are going to help patients right here at home.
And what's your message to those who might be considering donating, but they've put it off for a while? I know you have a $25 e-gift card ready to go for those who make the time to do such a needed act.
It's something that you literally can do on your lunch break. And I can tell you, Kelly, from my experience now, I've been at several of our hospitals, including Vanderbilt. I have met with patients who are the recipients of these blood donations. When I tell you that your donation matters, there are real people, real lives that depend on those donations every single day. There are kids in the Children's Hospital that are receiving treatment for cancer. They rely on blood and platelet donors to make it through their treatments, and there's no other alternative. We do have different drives going on all around the area as well. If you go to bloodassurance.org, you can put in your zip code, you can find a drive or a donor center closest to you. We're doing the $25 e-gift card, so you get a little something out of it, and you're going to walk out knowing that you made a difference.
Brooke Katz from Blood Assurance, thank you so much for joining us and all that your organization does.